Hi, everybody. In another video, I shared an introduction to my concept of leadership is teachership, so please feel free to check that out. But part of that model is the notion of purpose places, and that's what I want to share and explain to you today. In the work that I do as a leadership consultant, I'm hearing from so many young people at the start of their careers that it's really important to them to find a job or a career that offers them a sense of purpose. So this idea of feeling that they are living a purposeful life and that their career is contributing in a significant way to that sense of purpose is really a high priority for them. And that's true not just for young people. Many of them are saying it out loud in the course of their job searches, but the truth is that everyone benefits from finding a sense of purpose in their work. So I believe that workplaces really need to address and even take advantage of this craving for purpose that we're seeing. So it's more important than ever for us as leaders to conceive of and present our organizations not as mere workplaces offering someone the chance to have a job, but as purpose places offering someone the chance to access their purpose. As a personal example for me, I get to visit a lot of workplaces, and even though I'm there to help by sharing my insights and expertise, I also go in looking to see what I can learn. I look for what fascinates me. So I had a moment one time pulling into a parking space and then walking into the lobby at Toyota Material Handling, which is basically a forklift factory. And I was just overwhelmed with this sense of how tremendous of an opportunity this was for me to visit and learn and work with really smart people. So even though I was hired to give them something in the form of my leadership training, I knew that what I was going to walk away with was a really deep sense of enrichment, of having grown as a result of my time there. And that's where and when I started thinking about workplaces as purpose places. So I still get goosebumps thinking about the moment that I experienced that realization. So now, every workplace that I visit, and I do get to visit a lot of them, which is something that I feel fortunate about, I look at every single one as a place where I have the opportunity to practice and expand my talents and to have an up-close front row encounter with something that is very real in our society and in our world. And I get so excited about what I'm going to learn and how I can improve myself as a result of those interactions by looking at that place I'm going into as a purpose place. So the trick to accessing the best talent of your people is to help them see your workplace as a purpose place. You want your people to experience a feeling about your workplace that is a combination of respect, affection, and belonging, or even better, mutual respect, affection, and belonging, meaning that they perceive it from you as well. So in other words, you want your people to feel better from being at the purpose place, and that the purpose place gets better from them being there. There's a sense of mutual expansion and symbiotic growth. Everyone wins in that scenario. Viewing a workplace as a purpose place changes how we're able to see it and approach it. A purpose place provides you with access to experiences that you could never have on your own. It gives you a front row seat to something very real. You get to see industries, fields, technologies, societal issues, and impacts up close. You have access to training and learning and hands-on opportunities to expand your skills. And a purpose place introduces you to interesting people relative to your purpose. It offers you a chance to feel connected. So a purpose place gives you the space and the opportunity to expand your capabilities. It offers you a workshop, a classroom, a laboratory, a playground to explore, experiment, and experience whatever fascinates you. And a purpose place should be a place full of things that fascinate you. So purpose places should be exciting and fulfilling. So how does a leader make sure their workplace becomes a purpose place? 3 things. First, they have to see their workplace as a purpose place, as a place where they can explore, experiment, and experience the things that they find fascinating and fulfilling. It helps to model that attitude in relationship to others, and then you'll inspire them to feel the same way. Second, they have to do what they can where they can to make their workplace function as a purpose place. Does it afford? And in another video, I'll explain this idea of affordance. Does it afford people the resources and opportunities they need to develop their talents? Does it prioritize the positive experience of the people in this place? Does it invest in creating a symbiotic relationship between the place and its people? Because that's the ideal. Finally, teach your people how to see their workplace as a purpose place and how they can best take advantage of the access and the opportunities it has to offer them and the expansion of their talent. Most people aren't used to thinking this way. They think of work as a necessary evil instead of a limitless opportunity for fulfillment and purpose. And for you, as the leader, being able to present your organization as a purpose place can help with recruiting and onboarding by fostering really inspiring feelings of mutual growth, prosperity, and appreciation in candidates who are looking to work for you. If someone comes to you looking for a job that offers them a sense of purpose, not only is that something that you can offer them, but that's a person you want because they are likely to take full advantage of what working for you has to offer. And in doing that, they are guaranteed to contribute to the success and development of your purpose place as well. And helping someone find their purpose can be an incredibly validating and rewarding purpose for you as well. Hope this was helpful.